friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all subscribe my channel. Our subject is mechanics of solids. In that, simple stresses and strain is our topic. In that first topic, we completed one question already. In that, we use a simple formulas to find the given solution, given problem. We find a solution. Now today we are going to solve second problem in first topic. So this is our second question. So why I am saying only problematic subject means here, so most of the peoples will think so problematic subject is very tough. So don't think in such a way. I already said in last video also. First of all, you want to see the question. In that, what is the given, what we want to find. If you study twice or thrice times in a question, then we can understand the problem easily. So by just thoroughly studying the question, so we can easily understand the question. And then what we want to find, there is automatically you get a solution for that. So for that, before that, we want to know the some formulas. Already we discussed what are the formulas: stress, strain, and Young's modulus, or this is Young's modulus. So we discussed. So because of these formulas only, we are going to calculate this second question also. So and there is some changes. So for going to the step by step, we get some critical. So don't worry, there is a logics in that. So our problem is a specimen of steel 20 mm diameter with a gauge length of 200 mm is tested to destruction. It has a extension of 0.25 mm under a load of 80 kilonewtons and the load at elastic limit is 1 or 2 kilonewtons. The maximum load is 130 kilonewtons. The total extension at the fracture is 56 mm and diameter of the neck is 15 mm. Then find the stresses at elastic limit, Young's modulus, percentage of elongation, percentage of reduction in area, ultimate tensile strength. So here we studied the question. So in this he given a diameter and they given a length, and after applied loads extension they will be taken. So he given that extension dimension also, and he given load 80 kilonewtons and they given elastic limit is 1 or 2. He given the maximum load is also given in the question. So and there is a total extension of the fracture at 56 mm. This is given, and diameter of neck is 15 mm given in question. So what we want to suppose to calculate? So stress. So we already know stress. What is stress? Stress is nothing but load by area. That is the simple we learned in previous class. So this is the same formula we use here. Next, Young's modulus. Young's modulus is nothing but capital E is equals to stress by strain. We can calculate easily. Next here, percentage of elongation, percentage of reduction in area, ultimate tensile stress is different. So ultimate tensile stress is nothing but only as a stress. Stress is what? Ultimate, they are saying here, ultimate means maximum stress, maximum load by area is ultimate tensile stress. Okay, so now he given these all data, note this all data. So we want to find the stress. Stress is load by area. He given load 80 given in terms of kilonewtons. So kilonewtons means we want to convert into newtons. So into 10 cube. See here in question they given 80 kilonewtons. So kilonewtons means always load in terms of newtons into 10 cube. Not only here also into 10 cube. And area, load by area, pi by 4 into d square. D means 20. So 20 square. So we get a calculator, we use calculator and get a answer 254.64 Newton meter. First one completed. Next second problem. So Young's modulus, he want to find Young's modulus. For that capital E is equal to stress by strain. That means small p by small e. So small e, we find this small p stress. So now we want to find the small e. So small e is unknown. But in question he given change in length and original length is given. So just write the formulas. So delta L is equals to L. He given delta L 0.25 in question. So 200 is total length. This is extension length. So we get a small e. So take this value and substitute in question. Here capital E is equal to stress by strain. Stress we already get in stress first one. 254.64 by extension. So 0.00125. So this is Young's modulus. So next third one is percentage of elongation. It is change in length minus original length by original length into 100. This is percentage of elongation. So now come to the percentage of reduction in area. So there is a small change in this elongation and reduction. So here in first change in length and after original length, change in length to original length. Here original area to the final area, just opposite. This is a trick in between elongation and reduction in area. So first change in length, so next here original area. Change in length means delta L, original length means LO or original length, it indicates original length by original length into 100. So change in length is what, 0.25 minus original length is what, 200 by 200 into 100. So we get a 99.8% of elongation, we get a that bar. So next percentage of reduction in area, original length, original area minus final area, because we are talking here area, here talking elongation length. So area, no, so original area minus final area by original area into 100. Here see AO minus AF indicates original area and final area by original area into 100. So here pi by 4 into d square, original area we know 20 and 5 by 4 into final area after a neck. See here diameter of neck is 15 mm. That neck is called final area, final diameter. Pi by 4 into neck diameter 15 square by original area, no, pi by 4 into d square into 100. So we get a 43.75% of reduction in area. This much of reduction we have. So last one is ultimate tensile stress. So it is nothing but as a stress. So here whatever they given in this below in front of the stress or tensile stress, we want to use a formula as a stress formula, load by area. So in front of they given ultimate, so maximum, ultimate is nothing but maximum or more length, more load, that is maximum load by area. See the formula. So P max by A. So P max is nothing but in question they given ultimate stress is equals to, so 130 he given in terms of kilonewtons. Now we want to convert into newtons. 130 into 10 cube by pi by 4 into d square. D is original diameter. So we get this ultimate tensile stress is 413.80 Newton meter. So by in Casio we want to add this and we get a 413.80. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.